welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with this month's July Boxycharm box with the palette Butter London that came in the box. So if you guys are interested in subscribing to the box, it is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. So if you guys are interested, I'll link the link down below. And also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you like the video. And also do not forget to follow me on social media, that I'll link down below. So with that being said, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So in this month's Boxycharm box, it came with this LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It also came with this Luxie Cafe brushes. It comes with the 250 large eye blending blush, the 246 precision crease, and the 516 foundation brush. It came with this Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl gloss. It also came with this Appeal Gel liner. This is in the shade Desert Taupe. And last but not least, it came with this Butter London palette. Since I already did my face, I'm just going to go straight into the eyes. And I'm going to be using the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. So from the brushes, I'm going to take the Luxie Large Eye Blending Brush. And I'm going to take the shade Temperance. And I'm just going to take the other brush that came in, and it's the 246 Precision Crease. And I'm going to be taking the shade Diva. Next, I'm going to be taking Temperance one more time and putting that shade in the bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking the shade Enchantress and putting that shade as my brow bone highlight. I'm also going to be taking the same shade and putting it as my inner corner highlight. Next, I'll be taking the Better Than Sex mascara. Next, I'll be taking the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearls lip gloss in the shade Sirenita. Next, I'm going to be taking the Appeal Gel Liner. And there you guys have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!